Is using a mini trampoline helpful for knee arthritis? It might help or it might hurt. Let me tell you more. There was a small study done years ago where they had people with knee arthritis do a treatment protocol that included jumping on a mini trampoline. And what they found at the end of the study is the people that did that part where they had mini trampoline jumping, they actually improved their arthritis symptoms. There's some limitations to this study, though. It was so small. They did some other stuff besides the trampoline jumping. And at the end of the day, when I think of it in my expert brain, the way I think of how the knees and the hips and the muscle imbalances work, I got some things to say. So let's go over to the trampoline so I can explain this better to you. Here's the thing with trampoline jumping is if you are jumping, you're probably going to be using your quads more, which your quad muscles attach to your kneecap. And when they activate more, they're going to pull your shin bone up into your thigh bone, causing more compression. So some people that have inflamed knee arthritis will immediately get more pain because of this, because they're adding more compression to the knee joint by overactivating their quads more than they probably have been prior to using this. The thought that the researchers probably had was that the springiness of the trampoline was reducing the impact forces relative to like the ground. So like if you're walking around and you're stepping on hard ground, there's no give from the ground likely, versus here there's some give on the trampoline. The study was kind of small, so we don't know for sure if you can apply that information to everybody. But what I have heard personally from many of my patients and people in our programs, like our knee arthritis recovery program, is that they don't benefit from it. And for this same idea that I'm talking about, where they're using their quads too much when you jump. Now, a way that this can be helpful is if you can make jumping on the rebounder or the trampoline a glute focused exercise, which is kind of challenging. And in my opinion, it's a higher level skill because it requires you to be able to consciously activate your glutes without having to struggle to do it. Because most of the time when people activate their glutes, their thigh muscles also activate. And then you have to be able to activate your glutes on command every time you land in the mini trampoline. So it's a bit challenging. And I'll show you what it looks like. You're just trying to make the jump happen with your glutes instead of your quads, but it's kind of hard to turn off your quads a lot. You're still going to activate your quads very much naturally in order to keep your knees straight so you don't buckle when you land. But if you can make it a bit more glute focused, then this could be beneficial for you. My overall recommendation though is this isn't a practical thing. That doesn't mean you can't do it if you enjoy doing it, because it does give you more energy. It's hard to not be on a mini trampoline and not smile. In other words, you want to kind of smile. It's fun. It's just, it gives you good energy. But as far as fixing your knee arthritis problem, I would put this pretty low on the priority list of things to do. Probably not even do it. And there's other things to focus on that are going to help you way more. You might have bought a trampoline like this in hopes of healing your knee arthritis or improving the symptoms. If it's working out for you, fantastic. But if it's not, I want you to check out this video. It's the top 5 knee arthritis secrets that no one is talking about. Go check it out to learn more.